What's up? So today, right now, it's 7:30 a.m. Today, I'm about to go ski on Whistler Hill. I don't know if you guys know Whistler Hill, but they do say that Whistler Hill is the place to ski. So I'm very excited. It's gonna be a long day. Right now, I'm going for a walk. Record the video. I'm gonna get some coffee, go back to the place, read a bit, maybe do a bit of work, and then by 9:30, 10, we're out the door to ski. Look at this beautiful place. I can't get enough of it, man. I cannot get enough of the view. This is something I can definitely get used to. But what I want to talk about today was, I want to talk about the importance of having your group of men around you who criticize you, who tell you to be better. And that depends on your family, depends on your friends. And sometimes family cannot choose your family, but you could definitely choose your friends. And I can go to the extreme of, you can definitely choose who you spend your time with, even if it's family. So, for an example, this trip that I was with the boys, we've had talks where we criticize each other about our flaws. And sometimes it may lead to arguments, or it may lead to feelings being hurt, but as men, it passes on. It passes on. It's not no drama like usually it's girls with drama. Men, you tell them to improve. You have the competitiveness within your group, and you try to make each other better. That is number one most important thing, is the people you spend your time with. And I truly believe that, I just want the view again. I truly believe that it's super important, because a lone wolf will never beat someone who is within a group. It's good to be alone. It's good to have the capability of thinking to yourself and being in an isolated room alone, for sure. But at the end of the day, I think your group of people, your group of men, if you're all striving for success and you keep pushing each other, it's inevitable that you won't succeed. And the thing is, let's say your group is 3 men. You're 3 men, and in total, you're all learning and all trying to make money online, or trying to do something, right? And you're all learning and sharing each other's ideas and failures and advice. You will learn and grow 3 times more than the person alone. You will literally 3x your growth. That's why it's a hack. You really need to find men or women around you and make sure that you guys are all pushing each other, and you guys are all logically talking about your flaws, and not in a way where in a meaningful way, but you mean the best for them. You want the best for them. You need to put your ego aside sometimes, and really just, when someone criticizes you, you just have to say, you know what, you're right. Or maybe you disagree, but you have to have that conversation and try to figure it out. Try to figure it out as a group. Now, I think what you should do watching, if you have a group of friends that you want to, start, I truly believe you should get in a circle, spend 30 minutes on each person, and spend 30 minutes on each person where you cannot talk about to someone else. You can't talk about someone else besides them for 30 minutes. And you hear them out, you listen to their story, you listen to their point of view of the issue, and then as a group, combined, you try to figure it out. I truly believe that if you do that, you'll be unbeatable. You cannot fail when you have high-valued, intelligent men around you pushing you every day. It's irreplaceable. That no time, no money, nothing will beat that. The connections between humans and the connections between your group of men is the most important. So please make sure to find friends, because I'm telling you, it's a hack. They'll 3, 4, 5, 6x your growth. I promise you that. And it's even more fun. Why celebrate at the top alone when you can celebrate with your boys? It's amazing. But again, take a good look at the view. Go get some coffee. If you really, really can't find some men around you, you can always find some people online. And you can talk to me. You can talk to other groups. There's so many you can find. And when you do that, that's when I'll see you at the top.